After installing the Starlink on the roof, my husband is now able to work remotely. But when he was working remotely, he had the computer on his lap, and that wasn't comfortable at all. So we decided to install a Lagun base in the front so he can put the Lagun table up here to work while I enjoy the view in the back with my hot cup of coffee. So, ta-da! Let me show you how we install the Lagun table base. The Lagun table kit came with the metal base, the wooden board, and some acrylic materials, but I don't think we're gonna need this. And it also came with all these screws, but they are a little long for our needs, so we're gonna cut them down. But first, we need to trace the size of this metal plate to the board, so we can cut to size. This board is too big. We don't need for it to be that big. Wasn't that simple? It looks easy, but it's like I have to press hard. Anyway, honey,
You want me to do it for you?
can you do it?
Okay.
Like I said, these are precious fingers. Size of this screw. Let's see. So we put this on the bathroom wall. This is gonna go into the wall. And look how long it is. It's gonna puncture into the bathroom. So we would have to cut it about this size. We only need maximum 1/2 inch depth right here. So we need to cut this. Honey, cut it. So this is where we're gonna mount the Lagun table base. And we decided we're gonna have it around this level, probably the same height as this box right here. Is it about estimately?
It's
about there.
arbitrary.
Yeah.
Whatever you want.
Okay, and let me mark the hole. There. So I'm gonna drill the 4 pilot hole. So we marked the drill bit to 1/2 inch because the panel right here is about 1/2 inch,
Hopefully.
and this is about half an inch. So just mark it like this and put a tape here.
Are you ready, honey?
Another hole.
I thought you said no more holes.
I know.
You keep drilling holes.
Exactly. This feels soft, so make sure you go real slow, because or else it's gonna puncture through. I need to go in a little deeper.
One down. 3 to go, honey. Is this like drilling pecans?
Now I have to make bigger holes.
That one, 1/4 inch.
Okay.
Okay, honey, go ahead and mark it.
About 1/2 inch there. Okay, let's drill a big hole.
Okay, go for it, honey.
Am I there yet? No.
No, you're halfway there.
I have to go deeper. Oh no. Okay. Are you sure it's not? The bathroom is okay. The bathroom is okay, right?
Oh, surely there's 4 holes here. I'm just kidding. Okay.
Not funny.
Okay.
The Lagun table says to use a 1/4 inch drill bit, but we found that it is a little small, so we have to go a size bigger. What size is?
1764 inch.
Okay. test it out to see if it goes in. I think this is a better size.
Okay, it's
Tight.
still tight, right?
But it's okay.
But
so
it's
now
not
we
going to
can-
crack the wood, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's hope. Okay. All right, let's do the other
Okay.
3 holes. Good luck, honey. That's it. Enough for now, yeah. 2 more holes. Okay, let's do the 4th hole. It's getting braver. Slowly.
I'm on a roll.
Low. Any holes in the bathroom yet? Let's see.
Can you check?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Go ahead, put the screws in and see if it works, honey.
Okay, let's see.
Still a little tight, huh? We did try 9/32 and it worked well, but I felt it was a little
Yeah,
loose.
maybe we just kind of enlarge the holes a little bit,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
See, I think, yeah. See, I think the hole we drew the hole to the left a little bit too much, and so it's hanging on to this ledge.
This ledge here, right?
Yeah, so we should have just
Move it over.
yeah put the board this
Over a
way
little bit.
instead of like too close to
So
here.
there's more
Yeah, room to make a
room for
mistake.
error. Yeah. Right now it's too precise.
Yeah, and so
We got to figure this out somehow.
so I guess a way
Because
to
of the mistake we did.
we just have to drill the hole on this board a little bigger so that we can have some movement and just slide it over a little bit so it will fit into that ledge. Oh.
Sorry, honey. This is my fault. So I had to drill a much bigger hole there.
Okay. And then it's still a little tight to put the screw in, so we're just gonna enlarge just the outer part right here a little bit with
A
this
n-
bigger
9/32 inch drill bit,
drill bit, right?
just to seat the screw a little bit better.
Like that much.
Yeah, that's about it.
That.
A little bit more, I think. Okay. Try help you hold on to it. Okay. It's working, right? Second hole. Okay, that's good.
Okay, yeah. Where's the other one?
We're missing a screw.
This is not good. Why are we missing a screw?
You're sitting on it. Right there.
Can you tighten it more for me, honey?
So I get to do the work where if I screw up, I'm in trouble with you, right?
Yes. Be careful.
So we're gonna go carefully here so that we don't
check inside here.
crack the wood at all. It's biting into the wood here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go carefully. I do not want to crack. We're done now.
This part is done. So, it feels pretty solid, and there's no puncture holes in the bathroom enclosure. Whew, that was our
Biggest
my
fear, huh?
Biggest fear that what if we drill too long the screw?
We just caulked the hole. Well, we gotta try it out now, honey.
Okay, let's test it out.
Move back a little bit here.
I think I'm gonna swing the chair over first. like this.
Like that is fine, yeah.
Okay, and then put this on.
Let's try it.
Lock it. So it doesn't move too much. Just move a little bit. Ah. Hey.
Good place to eat lunch or work. A little high for you, huh?
A little high for me, but it's adjustable on the leg,
Yeah,
so you just adjust to your own height.
Can we put it so that we can slide the seat back? We have like a center table and put food while we drive and eat.
You're supposed to be driving and eating. We do that all the time. You mean like like this?
Yes, like that.
Hey.
Exactly.
No, would it fit though? I don't think.
Well, it will if you put this down first.
Oh, I see.
There, now slide it back. There.
Oh, wow. Good idea.
So is it sturdy?
Yeah, well, that part feels sturdy, but like right here, maybe I need to tighten this part. You see how it moves? Would it help?
And you need to have this piece of wood here. If you don't have it, then you can't move that. I didn't understand that when I read the website, but now I understand now.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, honey.
Let's see. I like it. I forgot one more thing. I have to paint the wood to match with the cabinet. It's gonna be hard to match, but we'll try. So the project on the outside, it looks simple, but my husband said the hardest part for him is to cut the screw. I didn't want to cut the screw because it's like metal was flying around. It's like I can see the fire.
Wow, thank you, honey.
So, how was it?
It was not too bad, but yeah, that was the hardest part. And the second part,
we were so afraid that we're gonna puncture into the shower enclosure, so we drilled the holes that are a little less than half an inch, and so it was very hard for you to tighten it. So we had to kind of make the hole a little
longer, deeper.
Yeah, deeper, and then we were able to screw it in more. And ever since you did that, it's very tight now.
Yeah.
I hope you find our project helpful for you, and if you ever decide to get a Lagun table on the front, now you can.